Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
Dates and times. The very phrase can arouse fear and loathing. They're irregular and cumbersome to work with. We'll address the challenges of dates and times and start by reading some data into SPSS Statistics. I have a spreadsheet here with a couple dates, common data source for analytics projects, and you see if the two columns have the exact same date in it. We're going to read this into statistics. We'll go to File, Open, Data. We need to find a spreadsheet. Here we go. Here's our file. And it brings us a preview of what we're going to read. And look, the first column here, that's just a number. That's not the date we expected. But we'll continue. And you see it reads in the number just like it presented to us. And here's what happened. Excel stores dates as the number of days from January 1, 1900. And the second column was just the text format of that same date. So here's the lesson today. Know where your data came from and what format it's stored in. For example, Oracle uses a fixed width 7-byte field for the entire date and time. SQL Server has at least 5 formats for dates, and DB2 has at least 4. So that's the lesson. We're going to have some fun with dates and times in a few more videos. So stick around. We'll see you next time.